How to change the default ringtone on iOS 17.2. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. Did you miss this sound? In today's video, I will show you how you can change the default ringtone on your iPhone. Apple has finally fulfilled the wishes of loyal fans and now we can set the default ringtone and return to the old well-known one. How are we going to do it? We will open our settings. In the settings, we will find the section Sounds above Haptics and tap on it. In this window, we can see various categories such as ringtone, text tone, and many others. However, the one we need is default alerts. When you find it, tap on it. The current sound is a new sound called rebound. However, there is also the old familiar tritone. All it takes is to tap on it, and that's it. Now our iPhone will have the same old settings sound that we all remember. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iOS tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.